In this video, we will discuss Meta history. Facebook, formerly known as The Facebook, is an American multinational technology conglomerate headquartered in Menlo Park, California. Among other things, the company owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Meta is one of the most valuable companies in the world. Along with Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft, it is considered one of the Big Five American information technology companies. Facebook, Messenger, Facebook Watch, and Meta Portal are among Meta's products and services. It also owns 9.99% of Geo Platforms, Oculus, Giphy, Mapillary, Customer, and Precise. In 2021, advertising sales accounted for 97.5% of the company's revenue. In October 2021, Facebook's parent company changed its name from Facebook to Meta Platforms in order to reflect its focus on building the metaverse. The metaverse, according to Meta, is the integrated environment that connects all of the company's products and services. The company was worth $364.64 billion in September 2022, with shares down 60.02% over the previous year due to increased competition from TikTok and Apple's iOS privacy changes. On January 1, 2012, Facebook filed for an initial public offering, IPO. According to the preliminary prospectus, the company was looking to raise $5 billion, had 845 million monthly active users, and a website that received 2.7 billion likes and comments per day. Following the IPO, Zuckerberg will retain a 22% ownership stake in Facebook and 57% of the voting shares. Underwriters valued the stock at $38 per share, valuing the company at $104 billion, the highest valuation for a newly public company to date. Due to high demand, Facebook announced on May 16, one day before the IPO, that it would sell 25% more shares than originally planned. The IPO raised $16 billion, ranking it third in U.S. history, just ahead of AT&T Wireless and trailing only General Motors and Visa. The stock price increased the company's market capitalization above all but a few U.S. corporations, including Amazon, McDonald's, Disney, and Kraft Foods, and made Zuckerberg's stock worth $19 billion. According to the New York Times, the offering overcame concerns about Facebook's difficulty attracting advertisers, transforming the company into a must-own stock. JPMorgan Chase's Jimmy Lee called it the next great blue chip. According to TechCrunch writers, that's a big multiple to live up to, and Facebook will likely need to add bold new revenue streams to justify the mammoth valuation. Trading in the stock, which began on May 18, was delayed that day due to Nasdaq exchange technical issues. For the majority of the day, the stock struggled to stay above the IPO price, forcing underwriters to buy back shares to support the price. At the closing bell, shares were worth $38.23, just $0.23 more than the IPO price and $3.82 less than the opening bell value. The financial press widely described the opening as a disappointment. 36. Despite this, the stock set a new record for IPO trading volume. The stock closed its first full week of trading on May 25, 2012, at $31.91, a 16.5% decrease. On May 22, the Libra Association intends to launch a limited-format cryptocurrency in 2021, depending on when it receives approval from the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority to operate as a payment service. Libra was later renamed Diem, before being shut down and sold in January 2022 due to public and government backlash. Meta was given until December 31, 2022 to follow the algorithm. Users outside of the US and Canada enter into contracts with Meta Platforms Ireland Limited, formerly Facebook Ireland Limited, a company based in Ireland, which enables Meta to exclude all users from US taxes throughout Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, and South America. Meta is utilizing the Double Irish Agreement, which enables it to pay 2% to 3% of all overseas earnings in corporate tax. Facebook's fourth office, which houses its online advertising and developer support teams and offers assistance to users and advertisers, was opened in Hyderabad, India in 2010. Meta is listed as Facebook India Online Services Pod-led on the Indian registry. Additionally, it maintains support facilities in Chittagong, Dublin, California, Ireland, and Austin, Texas. Not enough information to verify Fitzrovia in the heart of London is where Facebook's London headquarters were established in 2017. In 2018, Facebook established a location in Cambridge, Massachusetts. The Connectivity Lab, a nonprofit dedicated to providing internet connection to those without it, first called the office's home. Facebook inaugurated its Taiwan headquarters in Taipei in April 2019. Facebook ran 16 data centers as of 2019. By 2020, it promised to buy only renewable energy and cut its greenhouse gas emissions by 75%. Fabric Aggregator, a distributed network system that supports wider regions and diverse traffic patterns, is one of its